You know what would be awesome? Some really nice, simple curry, made at home, fast. Shrimps, pineapple, coconut. Mwah. Let's start. If you don't have a rice cooker, cook it in a pot. Well, I can't help you with that. First we start with the rice. I like rice cookers. They make like really nice rice. Wet cloth. Steady, good. Now curry paste. This stuff. Onions. My roommates ate my onions, so we have shallots. But no, shallots are good. Shallots are really good. Garlic. Yeah. Lemongrass. And this is the best stuff in the world. Kaffir limes. Smell it, smell it, smell it. Mwah. Sharp knife. Also good. Just peel it. Oh, I'm already crying. Oh, you can do better than that, right? Garlic. Lemongrass. Mashed lemongrass. Like rough chunks. But that depends on your blender. The same with this. My blender probably just will make this smooth. Chop it up, blend it, and let it really, really smooth. So everything roughly chopped. I got our leaves. Yeah, you see it, you see it? Luckily, I've cleaned everything before cooking. Add everything to the blender. Now we put it on the blender. And mix it. Really, really smooth. Very important. Otherwise it's like that. I don't know why I always have to do that. Blend for 3, 4, 5 minutes. It's allowed to be like really, really smooth. I said smooth. While I put the blender in the other room, we're gonna make some prawns. Peel the prawns and not make a mess. Just take them, peel them. This is a bit of a work, but we all love prawns, right? Almost got it, almost got it. These are the prawns I'm working with. In general, it's really hard to get like good prawns. You know, in Malaysia, you get like, to get the best of everything. I need to go back to Malaysia someday. This is the good stuff. You keep this, you roast it, make a nice stock. Mwah. But that's more complicated. Today, easy, fast curry. Let's go. Pineapple, chop it up. Nice hair. Not as good as in Malaysia. Take off all the bitter parts. Now you cut it in chunks. Yeah. I like cubes. I don't know how to do it in Malaysia actually. We'll see. Somebody will text me in the comments how to do it. I like it like this. Nice cubes. This is the paste. This is how it's supposed to look like. Smooth, nice, fine. Let's throw everything together and then we'll have some food. When all it's hot, we take our paste and fry it. When the oil starts separating from the rest, then you have properly toasted it. Then we add our shrimps. Slightly saute them. Turmeric, a little bit of chili powder. And then we need some belacan. Sadly, I don't have one, but I've got scallop XO, which is actually also like a scallop paste, very similar, which I made. So we'll use this, but belacan is good. Our pineapples and our coconut milk. Now we heat it up. Mushroom powder. Like in Asia, we use a lot of like chicken stock and stuff for some taste. Boom. Salt. And some sugar. Actually really important for curries because if you've got spice, you also need a little bit of sweetness. Smells really good. Plate of rice. Add your nice curry. Coriander. Nice. Nice, sweet, spicy. I mean, everybody loves curry, right?